Alright, so now this kid's booting me. As you see, my Skype call's fucking disconnected. It says I've gone offline. Okay, nothing's loading on game battles. He's booting me and my partner. Again, this was a premium match. Nothing's working on my computer. This is pathetic. Fucking boots my partner. Fucking third map after we're about to swap him. 6-4. Kid is horrible, man. No fucking life whatsoever. Okay, he's gonna boot for fucking man. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fucking disputes. These kids are ass. Look, Skype ain't working anymore. Just looking like a little buffering shit. My internet ain't loading. My PS3 froze. It doesn't restart. Oh, fucking great. Okay. You see he's holding me offline now. Kid's fucking ass. Skype still isn't working on my computer. That's how I know I'm getting booted, because it doesn't fucking load. If it's taking a long time to sign in, check your network connection. There's nothing fucking wrong with my network connection settings. As you can see, I'm all connected to my router. Internet connection test. As you can see, I cannot connect to PSN just because it's fucking hitting my IP and shit. And my computer is still not loading. Skype is cutting in and out. So I'm gonna go reset my router and see if that does anything. I'll start recording after.